anybody else, it's enough just to keep us occupied. Please don't go. I would love just to be stuck to your side. Knowing anybody else, it's enough just to keep us occupied. Please don't go. You were holding out your hand, hoping I'd be there to hold you. I went out of Amsterdam just so I could give you some space. I kept opening my doors just to see if you would walk through. Ooh. I kept painting all my walls. Stuck to your side. Not with anybody else, it's enough just to keep us occupied. Please don't go. I would love just to be stuck to your side. Not with anybody else, it's enough just to keep us occupied. Please don't go. I would love just to be stuck to your side. Not with anybody else, it's enough just to keep us occupied. Please don't go. Let's go. Okay, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa tambay. Sakit ang katawan ko. The shade. Sige, extend tayo hanggang 2:01. Nag-extend ka pa yun. Sige. 2:02. Yan, 2:02 na. Kwentuhan na lang tayo, guys. Kwentuhan tayo. Anong word of the day natin? Word of code for the day. Register to go extended. Walang ganun. With Konya accent. Fair to be. Oh, ikaw na, L. Anong code for the day natin? Dali. Give anything. Anything that we can talk about. Either question or ano. Gusto ko rin yung all I want na yan.
Talaga.
Ano, diba? All I want is you. This is my last night with you. Hold me like I'm more than just a friend. Di ba yun yun, Olay? Bakit naman politics about buhay-buhay naman.
I Want ni Adele. All I Want ni Adele. Ayan na. May question na. Sige. Go. Diyan naman si D, sasagutin ni D yan. Si Charmaine, tulog na yan. Si Zavia, tulog na din yan. Tsaka si Gorgeous. Sige. Magaling yan. Maganda yan. Matulog kayo sa live ko. If you could be... Yan. If you could be any age for the rest of your life, which would you choose? Grabe naman, pang Miss Universe naman yan. Eloy, unsa man ang imong ano, oy? Question, oy? ang deep naman ang question, oy. If you could be... Sige, basahin lang natin. If you could be any age for the rest of your life, ano yung permanent ng age mo, ganun? Is that what it means? Is that what I'm understanding it right? Permanent age na yun. Tama. That's a good question. Paisip ka tuloy. Thank you so much for that wonderful question.
Without choosing a trend.
I wouldn't give a definite number, but I would choose the age where I grow the most. Pero the question with that is, how would you know that that age is where you really grow the most? Diba? You'll never know naman kasi. Aljon, wala na pong blower din po dito. Tapos na po kami magkantahan. Sorry. Actually, that's my answer din. Pero, nag-iisip pa ako eh. Nag-iisip pa ako kung meron pang ibang pwedeng sagot. Basically, kung titignan mo yung tanong, kung sasagutin mo, you would really pick an age na kalakasan mo. That you would be most productive, effective, matured. Diba? Ganun naman eh. Ganun naman talaga dapat eh. Kasi dun mo pipiliin yun. Dun sa sobrang tanda mo na mahina ka na. Pero you'll be full of wisdom. Pero hindi ka na masyado nakaka-function. Puro kasu-kasuan ka na. Or batang-bata naman na you're not fully developed yet. Pero intellectually, hindi naman yun problem. Pero yeah, I would pick still my age. In our 20s, we'll experience everything. Right. Tama. We all go through, crisis.
Maturity.
Ilan taon ka na ba, El? How old? If you don't mind. People's maturity varies. Right. Marami akong kilalang tao na Mas matatanda sa akin, pero... Yeah, how young. Sorry. I stood corrected. I stand corrected. She believes in me. 24. Ano ba yan? Sagot mo ba yan sa question mo? Hindi na po ako kumakanta. Sorry, Mark. Sagot mo ba yan sa question mo, El? Okay. Legit na yan. Yun na yung sagot ko. Elo, meron ng ano sa'yo. Meron na nag-hi sa'yo. Yun yung answer ko. You'll be most productive. You'll be more, enthusiastic. Amy. Sige, ikaw naman, El. Why? Life is easy and all. Ano pa? Sa mga gising pa dyan na natutulog na naalimpungatan, you can also answer the question. Sagot daw, El. Tapos, after neto, let's come up with the principle that we can take home. We can take home. Kulang daw yung sagot mo, kulang daw. parang we expect something more than just char. Nasagot niya naman na kasi. Pero if you just wanna add more or something. Ang galing ko nga yung echo ng ng mic ko. Yan. Hello guys. Yan, para naman, bakit kasi may echo eh. Yan, okay na. Para tamang kwentuhan lang tayo. Usap lang kayo, work lang din ako. Yan, tama yan. Work ka lang. Habang nakikinig, para meron ka rin napupulot na na wisdom. Wisdom. Charot lang, Salvia. Thank you pa rin sa pagtambay habang nagtatrabaho. Gawin mo na kaming podcast mo. Sige, willing to wait kami. Pero sige, anong matututunan natin with answering answering that question? Once, live your life to the fullest. Cut mo na lang. Right. Okay, welcome back, Chasing Stars 44.
Hi.
Gusto ko nang kunin yung yung unan ko at matulog na.
Walang matutulog.
Bababa ko na ang aking gitara.
Walang matutulog ng gising.
Wow, lakas. Yan sila, El. What time nga tayo what time ka nga sumama sa live? Parang early pa yun, no, El, no? Tama. Second time pa lang ni El na sumama. Na tumambay sa live. Ginagawa namin to minsan, El, yung nag-uusap-usap, kwentuhan. Tapos, after yun ang kantahan. You'll experience the things you can't experience when you get old and can experience the things you wish you to experience before as well. Yeah, that makes sense.
Siguro ako
That makes a lot of sense. Oh.
Siguro ako 30.
Also, sige, tapusin mo yan also. Sakit na sa tenga na naman. Yari ka talaga kapag pag na-mute ka ng mods ko, dadala ka talaga. Huwag niyo i-mute yan. Ano yan? Kapitbahay namin yan. Makulit lang talaga. Kakulitan ko yan. Kaso balimbing yan eh. Char. True daw. Di ba ako binigyan ng talaba? Kumakain ka ba nun? Sama ka sa amin next time pag nag-ano ulit kami. Kumain kami. Konti lang kasi binili namin eh.
What's the number?
Sama ka sa amin. Balitaan kita kapag kakain kami ulit.
What's the number?
Oyster. Oyster. Yeah, oyster. At this age, di natin madidiscover if ano ba yung weakness and strength natin. This age.
Alright.
Kumakanta po ako pero ngayon matutulog na. Kaya po may unan na ako dito. Kasi tapos na ako kumanta. Ito nga, nagpo-podcast na nga kami dito nagtatry na kami dito mag-podcast every time na ma-feel namin. Ito si Elijah, marami ditong alam na may wisdom din yung mga pinagsasabi nito ni Elijah. So, he can contribute. He can share his thoughts as well. To answer your question earlier, it's my second time pala sa stream. O diba, mga anong time yun? Mga early pa no? Hindi pa ganitong oras. Feel ko, ikaw yung nakasama ka nung like 8 p.m. nung live ko. Sige, pin mo yung yung message ni yung question ni Hi Ate Chloe, you can join us. And you can answer the question na nakapin. If you could be any age for the rest of your life, which would you choose? Age na magiging ikaw permanently. Ang sarap ng ganun, no? Actually, hindi ko maintindihan. Actually, starting this age ko, every year, 28 na ako. I choose to stop aging. Yeah, ganda nung answer ni Neil. It makes perfect sense. Yeah, like I said nga, parang parang itong mga age natin. these are the years na we can be fully effective, productive. Parang kumbaga parang sa pag-akyat mo ng bundok, nandun ka sa peak. Nasa peak tayo eh. Nasa peak season tayo ng natin, ng buhay natin. So, who would not want that?
I got you.
Yeah, itong age na to. Yeah, I feel like you're in the peak. Nagugutom ako. Realizations don't